Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. As autonomous artificial intelligence agents evolve from simple assistants into the very infrastructure of our digital world, the biggest bottleneck is no longer how smart the models are, but how they actually coordinate with each other and with us. This is the core challenge tackled in a fascinating paper that hit the Hugging Face trending list on May 22, 2026, just about 4 days ago. The paper is titled Foundation Protocol, a Coordination Layer for Agentic Society. It introduces a unified, graph-first framework to wrap and connect fragmented systems, building on emerging industry standards like the Model Context Protocol to make multi-agent networks secure and composable. We will dive into how this setup actually turns complex multi-party interactions into reliable, cryptographic receipts, and why this might be the key to a truly accountable artificial intelligence economy. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Table 1 frames our historical progress by looking at industrial revolutions through the lens of intelligence density, which represents how effectively a society can gather, organize, and coordinate cognitive work. The middle column outlines the primary technology drivers, spanning from steam engines to modern artificial intelligence and cloud computing. This evolution shifts how we organize knowledge, as detailed in the final column, moving from craft labor concentrated in factories to highly distributed, cross-disciplinary networks. Under this framework, we are entering a new phase where the coordination of intelligent agents becomes the primary bottleneck. Well, Figure 1 maps out this historical progression specifically across 4 generations of the web. This chart breaks down how our digital landscape evolved from static documents to dynamic platforms and then toward decentralized systems. The final column, Web 4.0, represents our current frontier where pervasive artificial intelligence and symbiotic agents interact at scale. This shift creates a major coordination challenge because agents must now negotiate and transact autonomously. Table 2 illustrates exactly where the Foundation Protocol fits within the broader ecosystem of developer tools and communication frameworks. Instead of trying to replace existing standards, the protocol is designed to complement them. The first column highlights how the Foundation Protocol uniquely covers capabilities like native group organizational structures and economic primitives, which include automated settlement and dispute signaling. At the same time, it maintains progressive disclosure. This design choice means sharing only the minimum metadata by default, which prevents wasting expensive computational resources. Finally, the bottom row showcases the primary scope of each protocol, illustrating how the Foundation Protocol acts as a broad societal coordination layer rather than a narrow task or user interface utility. Alright, Figure 2 outlines the core architecture of the Foundation Protocol, which separates coordination into 4 distinct layers, called planes. On the left, the Profiles and Bridges section allows the system to adapt to existing transport and identity tools. The central stack starts at the bottom with identity and trust, building up to transport, group interactions, and regulation. At the top, the Regulation and Oversight plane handles provenance, which means the documented history of actions, to ensure reliable auditing. Finally, the graph view at the very bottom represents all agents as nodes and their interactions as edges. Table 3 lists the 7 core objects that make up the Foundation Protocol vocabulary, ensuring the entire system remains simple and consistent. For instance, an entity represents any addressable participant, while a session binds those participants together within a specific set of rules and budgets. Further down, receipt and settlement provide verifiable evidence of resource consumption, which helps establish trust without heavy computational overhead. Finally, provenance acts as a structured record of decisions, so that the entire history remains fully auditable. Ultimately, this framework shows that as autonomous execution becomes cheaper, accountability becomes the truly scarce resource. The Foundation Protocol secures this future by turning complex multi-agent interactions into verifiable, collaborative networks. That wraps up our look at agent coordination. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.